Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how I did this turban with a t-shirt. It's super simple and you can find a t-shirt anywhere. This is an extra large t-shirt and I'll be showing you how I made it into a turban. For those days where you just don't want to comb your hair or you just want to be stylish. And so if you guys want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to take this Eco Styler gel and I am going to pull out my baby adult hairs, the little that I do have, and slick back the rest of my hair and put it into a bun. You can do it into a low bun ponytail or you can do it into a high bun at the top of your head. And today I'm going to just be putting mine to a sloppy bun to the top of my head.
No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, nah, nah. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown whirling high up in the sky.
So for this next step, there's two ways that you can do it. You can either put it on the nape of your back, the nape of your head with the head part of the shirt, or you can do it the opposite way with the part that your stomach goes into the shirt and then just bring it towards the front of your head. And then I'm going to secure it with a hair tie. Let my ears come out a little bit of it, not too much to where my ears are sticking out, or not too little to where you can't see earrings. Then just secure it with a ponytail. Now just twist, 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 twist until you get the perfect bun shape that you like. You can either twist it as you go or twist it all together at once before you wrap it. Just do what works best for you and then secure that as well with a ponytail holder. Got that all secured, go ahead and do your baby hairs. I'm not the best with baby hair swoops and all that good stuff, so if you are, get to it. I just do what I can and do what I know and make it as cute as possible. I'm like a golden crown whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. And that's it. See how simple that was? Came out really cute, very inexpensive. Just find you a t-shirt out of your closet somewhere and yeah, strike a pose and hit the runway. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and ring the bell if you guys want to be notified whenever I post new videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.
Like a borderline Afro dress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling,